So they couldn't come onto the plaza? Hi. I was just wondering, they couldn't come on to the stage during a torrential downpour? Just to save themselves?
From 11:30 to 6 in the morning, you can't come on any of the properties in park. Doesn't matter if it snows.
Even if there is...
that stipulation in there, ma'am.
Yeah, and even if there was a tornado warning?
They don't make the rules, ma'am.
Yeah, I was just asking because, I mean, there was a tornado warning. If I was just walking on the sidewalk and there was a tornado coming down, I couldn't run on here to save myself?
I'm sure if there wasn't.
Oh, okay.
There wasn't here tonight.
All right, but there was some warnings, though. Okay. Yeah. Some of the areas lost power and my weather radio went, woo!
Check yourself, but you can't set up camp and sleep there.
Oh, okay.
This isn't really someone running from it.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And the tornado warning, I believe, was in Georgia.
Yeah, it's just my weather radio went, woo, you know, and my whole family went, what's going on? Right. Yeah. Oh, okay. All right. Well, thank you.
Is it all right if we go sit out here?
Are they allowed to get their tents?
Are we allowed to start those tents back up straight up?
I don't believe we can have tents in the park during the closed hours.
It's a canopy. It's for Occupy Gainesville. It's a canopy. They've been
about 20 minutes.
And
about 20 minutes we can go and put them back up.
It's going to pass anyway, and you probably shouldn't be out there with it. So if you stand over where you were, probably better off in
In 20 minutes, can we come back on the stage? When can we get back on the stage?
You can't be on the stage at all.
There's no...
Because I don't understand.
Over here is here, and over there is over there.
That is a...
Well, I'm exactly what the rules are. Not why they're not.
It's 11:39.
Or in the park. So what? I would just like to understand the choosiness and enforcement and the lack of consistency in enforcement. If you're gonna say we can't protect ourselves from rain,
why can't a human get under the shelter when it's raining?
You're okay with it? It seems completely inconsistent. I think it's the wrong message.
Sorry, I know they're opposed.
Someone
must remove these lines. Because your stage can't be on the stage. Just come over here. I'll show you.
No, I can see the sign. You can see the
Oh.
sign. It's right there.
No, if you're going to allow me, come on.
So
Okay.
specifically, none here, and that's the order of the city manager. Again, this is before the rules. And then again over there, so specifically this one for the stage. And the stage is real specific.
So no trespassing on the stage, no matter the park hours. Okay. All right.
No matter the park.
All right. You all have a good night.
All right. Morning.
Morning. And then if you're in order to write something and go to the commissioner meeting tomorrow.
No, that is totally justifiable.
I feel like at least
Hi.
the people that were here tonight should probably go to that meeting tomorrow.
Absolutely. What's tonight? There's one at 6 o'clock.
Tonight is tonight.
Yeah, tonight at 6. No, that's totally justifiable. I will not be...
Public comment, the people that were here tonight should
What's
probably...
this horse shit?
And let them have it.
This guy on the plaza in a car. I got him all the way.
What are you talking about?
There's a car that just pulled over there by the light on the plaza.
Did you get the second cop's name?
You mean these guys?
Yeah.
Nah.
The ones just trying to put in some of the tractor on the
Did they fuss at you for standing right there?
No, they came up, they
Why aren't they fussing at us right
they
now?
said that that stuff over there was mine, and that everyone over there said it was mine, and that I was the leader. And I came here in a rain jacket. I'm security, keeping the peace. I got nothing. I'm not the leader.
Leaderless.
I've got a soaking wet sleeping bag and some soaking wet pillows. But I'm going to go home and dry so I can make breakfast for all you lovely people.
Oh, I wish we got more sleep.
I'm going to get more sleep. I might just meet up with everybody or call Dwight or wait till he calls me and be like,
Have a little snooze.
you're in charge.
Yeah.
Because of this. See you soon.